Hello guys, welcome you to my channel Kanan's Academy. Today I am going to show you how to create three table using database first approach and create model from this database and join this three table and access this three table from a single view. Okay, let's go. We have a database test bank and we have three table account design is account ID big integer, client ID big integer, product ID integer, and account open date, and all are not nullable. We have second table client field are client ID, client name, client's father name, client address, client open date, client date of birth, and client contact number, and it is nullable. Our third table is product fields are product ID, account type, product name, product GL, and all are not nullable. Okay, now start Visual Studio 2017 and create a new project. SV.NET Core Web Application. Project name bank project and click OK. Now web application model view controller and press OK. Our project has been created. F setting, we have to put connection string so that we can connect the database from this project. So connection string have properties server name, then database name, then tested connection. True means it will connect using Windows authentication. Multiple active result set true. Now from look at package manager, we have to run scaffold command so that we can create model from this project using database table. Command is scaffold -db context, then connection string, then Microsoft Entity Framework Core.SQL Server, then output directory models. This command will create models depending on previously created database table, and this model will be created on models folder so that we have output directory models. Okay, model has been created. Also, DB context has been created. Our first model is account. We have pro properties and two navigation properties. With these two navigation property, we will connect other tables with this table. Client model, and we have one iCollection account, and final model product, and also we have an iCollection properties, and we have test bank DB context. There are three DB set. This 3 DB set represent three table. This is model builder code. Using this model builder code, model has been created. Okay, now we will create controller. At first, add controller, MVC controller. Our first controller will be product. DB context will be test bank context. Okay, controller has been created. A controller has been created, and a context object and a controller constructor has been created. It is mandatory. This is index action method that will return product details. All the column of the product table. A details action method will return details of an single object. Create action method. It is a get method. Its view will return a form where we can input the value of field when we will fill the value of fields. It will return this value to another create action method, which is HTTP post action method. From get action method, the post action method will get the values and it will save to the database. This is an edit action method. Its parameter is ID. Depending this parameter, it will edit a record of a particular ID, and ID equal to product ID. Depending on product ID, it will edit the value of those product IDs record. Similarly, another action methods also created. With this action method, the views also created We have 5 views: create, delete, details, edit, and index. These are auto-generated code. Now run this project. It will take some time for the first time run. Wait a while. Okay, here is the output. Now in the address bar we will write the action methods. When automatically create controller, always it plurals the object name. So product will be products. An error method to resolve this error, we have to go startup.cs, then add a service. For this, we have to using a namespace models and Microsoft dot entity framework core. Now services dot add db context, then db context name test bank context. Okay, now run this project again. Output is coming. Okay, now controller name products. Okay, here is output has been come. This data was earlier inserted to the database. We have account type, product name, and product ID. Product GL. Okay. Now from index view we will change the output type. For first we want to show product ID, product ID, item dot product ID. Now refresh this. Okay, first product ID, then account type, product name, now create a record, product ID 111, account type, YSD, product name, yearly saving deposit, product GL, 1 2 2 2 and 3 3 3. Okay, record has been created. Now we can edit this record scheme, yearly saving scheme. Okay, record has been edited. We can see details of this product. I can delete this product also. Product has been deleted. Okay, now add another controller. Add controller. Client controller. Okay, controller has been created. Similarly, and the context object and the constructor has been created. And index action method that return the fields of client details of particular record, create, get create method and post create method. Okay, now run this. Our controller name is clients. Okay, output has been come. We have insert the data previously. Okay, client open date, client birth date, format is date and time, client name, okay, index. We can change the view so that we can get our output that we need. Client ID, then client ID, customers headline, and okay, now refresh this. Client ID, okay, client ID is small d. Okay, copy and paste there. Client ID, okay. Now refresh again. Yes, client ID, then client name, then client's father name, then client address, and client open date, and client birth date. Now this is the date format. From model we have to add data annotation for open date and date of birth. Okay, this is data annotation. We have to use an namespace using system dot component model dot data notations. Okay, now there is no error. Now run this again. This data notation for if we want to show date only, not date and time, then we have to use data notation so that we can view the date only. Here we have view date only. If we need time, then we use date and time both. Then we have need not to use data notation. This annotation is for first 0 means no date, no time, then date format is first month, then date, then year. Now add a record for client ID 100,94466, client name John Smith, client father name client address New York, client open date time picker, client contact number, then create. Okay, record has been created. Now check this record. Okay, this is the record 100,4466. Now we can edit this record. Since the open date date of birth. Now save. I have changed the record. Hey guys, this is part 1, how to join 3 table. Wait for next part. I will finally show you how to join 3 table using database first approach. Thank you.